Good morning, Kasturians. Let's do the last part of the chapter number 4, file handling in Python. In our previous two videos, we have covered text files and CSV file. Now it is third type of file, binary files. And in this video, we will have introduction of binary files and various operations related to binary files. Let's start with the introduction of binary file. Binary files are used to store binary data such as images, video files, audio files, etc. in the binary format. That is, when we were having binary files, all the data are stored in the form of zeros and ones and easily accessible by the user, but only in machine language. It is not easily readable by the user. It stores machine language which is easily understood by computer system. So coming to the question, then why binary file? When we users cannot understand binary file, then why we use binary file? And the reason behind that is a binary file stored information in the form of stream of bytes. That is, the information or the data that we have saved in a file can be stored it in the form of stream of bytes. The second reason behind using of binary file is in binary files there is no delimiter for a line. In text file we were having a delimiter of space or enter key, whereas in CSV file we were having it a comma, whereas in binary file there is no delimiter for a line. Binary files are faster and easier for a program to read and write. The reason is because they are stored in machine language, so computer easily retrieve it. Faster execution is there for reading as well as writing, whereas in text file the data is in the form of ASCII, and in CSV file the data is in the form of normal basic values with comma in between. The exe files, mp3 files are some examples of binary files. So binary files basically save these big files in the form of 0 and 1 so that they can be easily executable, takes less time to read and write, and stored easily in the memory. Coming to various file handling operations of binary file, as we have done, all types of files can have variety of operations. They are able to create, read, open, write, compress, extract, and many more operations. So on the same way, binary files also able to do all these operations. Working with binary files. So binary files that we are going to cover in this chapter is 4 basic operations. That is, first to open a file, then to either read or write, and in the last close the file, which is mandatory for every function to do, whether it is a text file or it is a CSV file, and same applies to binary files. So coming to the very first opening of binary file. So this opening of binary file is done in the very first time, and with the first time of opening it creates also, whereas when we open the file next time, a already created file is opened. So the binary file opening function requires 3 parameters. The very first name is file name, जिस फाइल को हमें खोलना है उसका नाम. Second is फाइल को किस काम के लिए खोलना है, so it means the access mode for opening a file. And the very important is file pointer or a file handler, or you can say object which points to the file. So in this way binary file can be opened by having 3 arguments in the open function. And coming to the name of the file, we were having file modes. फाइल के नाम ना साथ के साथ हमें ये भी बताना है किस लिए फाइल खोलनी है. So the access mode is required in the open function. Starting with RB, the very first mode is reading mode, and B implies binary file. RB plus means reading as well as writing mode. WB means only writing mode, whereas WB plus means writing as well as reading both in the binary file. AB means append mode, whereas AB plus means appending as well as reading. So these 6 modes are used with binary file open function. Coming to the syntax, we were having it a open function with the name cs.dat as the binary file, and RB is the function mode, that is to read the binary file. Or the same way the open function can be used as open with also, and in this we can have it the binary file as my file. So this my file here as well as my file here is the file handler, is the file object, is the file pointer which is pointing to this cs.dat file in the memory and allows to open it in the read mode. Coming to writing data means the second operation of the binary file. So writing means when we have to write something into the binary file in the memory, and this writing means 0 and 1 form. So data or object is first converted into byte stream, means हम जो चीज़ टाइप करते हैं इंटरेक्टिव स्क्रीन पे as a input is first converted into byte stream, means in the form of 0 and 1, and then written in binary file, because binary file understand only 0 and form. This is one machine language. So in this we require the W mode. WB means writing in binary file, and this is completed by using dump function, and this whole process is known as pickling. So in the pickling process we use dump function to write the data into the binary file in the form of 0 and 1. So pickling function or pickling process requires pickle module. So pickle module is the already built-in module which has to be imported to the programming of binary file reading and writing operations. Let's do a syntax or an example of use of dump, means how we write it, what will be the basic statements in a writing part of a binary file. So we can have it, the very first command always import pickle. Import pickle module is the very first statement in the programming of writing of binary file, and then we can have it here, for example E being a dictionary in which Namita, Manya and Tanu are the key values, and 25,000, 30,000, 20,000 are the values associated with the key. So we are having dictionary as a pair. So F1 being the file handler, open function emp.dat being a binary file is open in writing mode. So with the help of file handler F1 we are opening the emp.dat file in writing mode, and with the help of dump function of pickle module we are writing E, that is the dictionary, with the help of file handler in that file, and in the last we are closing the file f1.close. So in this we are doing it three operations, that is we are opening the file in writing mode, we are dumping, we are writing the E dictionary into the file that we have opened, and in the last we are closing the file. Coming to the next operation, read the data from binary file. That is, first we have to open, then we have to write, then comes how to read, how to retrieve the data on the screen. So in the writing we have done pickling process, that is converting data into binary form, whereas for writing we have to do vice versa. So unpickling process is required in reading. So in this unpickling, the 0 and 1 is converted into the data in which is readable to the human being or to the user. So in this we require to open the file in RB mode, that is reading a binary file mode, and the function for required for unpickling is load. Dump is the function for writing, load is the function for reading of pickle module. So this is the unpickling of binary file. Coming to the example, use of load function, we can have it in the same way, the very first command import pickle, so that we can use the load function, and we can have it a file handler input file open function with the full name here. So we were having it absolute name, RB is the mode, and we were loading it, we were reading it, the contents of the file myfile.bin to the screen. So my int is loading the input file, my string is loading the second value, my list is loading the third value, and my dict is loading the fourth value. So we are going to display these four values from the binary file into the screen with the help of print function, and in the last we are closing the file with the help of file handler input underscore file. So in this way we were having it pickling by using dump, unpickling by using load, and open function to open the binary file, close function to close after using that binary file. So binary file is basically used when we require the byte stream, that is the value in 0n form. The advantages, as we have seen, is faster and easier, and the functions that we have to use is through the pickle module, load and dump function. That's all for the day. Revise the concept of binary file, its introduction and its various operations, and perform the assignment given according to that. Thank you. Have a nice day.